Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm gonna take a look at the door rubbers on this 30 whatever year old RX7. As you can see, it's seen better days, so they're pretty pierced and quite hard and dry in places, so not everywhere. I don't actually know if it leaks or not because it doesn't go outside in the rain. So but that being said, I've got a genuine rubber seal kit, so I'm going to take a look at that and see what's what and what's involved. Hopefully I don't need too many little plastic clips, but let's see what happens. Oh well, I've just unpackaged just to have a look what we're working with here. So this particular set had what they call a weather strip for doors, so 2 of those obviously. Got part number there. And it's obviously a genuine Mazda item. Now I know Mazda doesn't make them anymore for the early FB or SA RX7, but there's other companies like Atkins Rotary and a few others that have sourced or working with people who do make them, so it might be best bet if you can't find them genuine. This here we've got, what do they call this? Glass. Okay, so it must be little felt or rubber seal for the door, like along this edge on the inside and out. This one's pretty sound, so I'll leave those for the time being. But main priority was, the 2 door seals. So looks like, obviously got the little plastic grommets, so that's cool. So it's just a matter of getting this seal off. So it obviously goes right the way around the perimeter of the door. And then hopefully, well, I guess the clips are going to come out too, and then clip the new one in. So we'll see how we go. So that's pretty straightforward. They've got these little clips here, as you saw on the new door seal. Just go into a series of locations throughout the coloured part of the door, if you like, and then it's just got like a little guide that slides into the window frame with no clips down here. But then same again when you get around inside the door jamb. Yeah, so she's pretty well shot. I just broke at the end there, so they are a one-piece joint kind of thing. Let's see if I can lay it out. Something like that. So obviously with the sharp cornered point at the top here on the door, just work your way around. So what I'm going to do is just pull these clips out, then clean up the door a little bit, and then see if I can reinstall the new one nicely. And it's probably a great way to do this, but I've got this little panel clip remover. There we go. Don't know where that's gone, but we all know about that. Decided to put a little rag on just to protect the paint, because it's in such good nick currently. I'd like to try and keep it like that, but yeah, it means I can't see what I'm doing. Here we go, another one. Oh well, the clips out of that one door, I'm going to keep those just because, 30-40-year-old car problems. Never know when it's going to be hard to find them, and they're all intact, so that's cool. And I'm just going to clean up the door now and then get ready to hopefully put this in nicely. that wasn't too bad. The last little bits are a little bit finicky, but just here on the corner, getting that to sit nice, and then again where it changes direction at this corner, but we've got it all sitting in there nice. Yeah, it's looking sharp, so happy as with how that. I guess that's the beauty of a genuine item as opposed to reproductions, but in saying that, I haven't actually compared to any, haven't tried any of the reproduction ones, so can't comment if they're any good, but yep, happy as with that. So do the other side and happy days. Yeah, so pretty straightforward if you want to give it a go yourself, even if you've never done it before. Only a couple of tools needed, so good old handy panel clip removing tool. This one's Tool Pro from Super Cheap, I think it was, and I just had a set along those pliers and a little bit of WD-40 just to get the last little bit of rubber and a bit of lubrication just to guide it through wherever it's got to go. So yeah, now to push the car up because it's got no engine, and do the other side. Not sure if it's a coincidence, but on the left hand side they had these sort of white clips, and on the driver's side they're yellow. Same as, you can't make that out, but they're yellow clips on the right hand side rubber and white clips on the left. So here's the part number for the right hand side. Obviously it fits series 1, 2 and 3 Rx7, they're all the same as far as the doors go. Yeah, and as mentioned, we've got the yellow clips on the right hand side. So I've just cleaned up everywhere there, just using a bit of water and a rag, and now going to install this. So on the first one I just started with the hard edges and worked my way around, so They seem to work, so I'm going to do the same. So it just has this little tab here that this part of the rubber slots into, and that groove underneath there where the backside goes into, whole way along.